In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do clients pay you on Bill.com. Let's walk through exactly what your client experiences from the moment you send an invoice all the way to when the money shows up in your bank account. Understanding this flow will help you explain it clearly to your clients and give you confidence that everything is working smoothly behind the scenes. It all starts when you send an invoice through Bill.com. Inside your Bill.com account, you create an invoice just like you normally would. Add your client's details, the amount due, due date, and any notes or descriptions of your services. When you send that invoice, Bill.com automatically includes a link to your unique, branded customer portal. This portal is where your client will go to view and pay their invoices online. When your client receives the invoice by email, they simply click the link to access the portal. There's nothing complicated for them to install or set up. Once they're in, they can see all of their outstanding invoices from you, along with the amounts and due dates. This makes it easy for them to understand what they owe and choose which invoice or invoices they want to pay. Next, your client chooses how they want to pay. Inside the portal, they can securely enter their preferred payment information, such as their bank account details or a credit card. Bill.com is designed so that all of this sensitive information is handled securely and kept private. As the vendor, you never see their full bank or card details, which adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind for both of you. Once your client confirms the payment, Bill.com processes the transaction directly from the portal. The system takes care of routing the funds behind the scenes without you needing to do anything manually. You can monitor the status of the payment from your Bill.com dashboard, so you always know whether it's pending, in process, or completed. After processing, the funds are automatically deposited into your designated business bank account. This usually happens within a few business days, depending on the payment method and bank processing times. You don't have to move the money yourself. It simply appears in the account you've set up in Bill.com. Finally, Bill.com automatically applies that payment to the correct invoice. If you've connected your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero, the payment details can sync over as well. This automatic reconciliation means less manual data entry, fewer errors, and cleaner books with very little effort on your end.